Hello guys, welcome to another video from Block 3 Review. In this video we're going to I'll be reviewing a very exciting product called Ethermail, and in this video we are going to look at the functionalities that is available with Ethermail, some of the features available, and how you can use the application. And of course, at the end of the review we're going to look at some of the things that I consider missing, and probably no, the developers can work on and make the application more better. So our goal with at Block 3 Review is to, you know, create content, review products, and then for founders to get insightful feedback on their product, of course, to fine tune it and make it better. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. All right, so this is the product. This is the landing page for the product. So if you just come in, you can just enter this on Google using Ethermail. So once you put that in Google, of course you'll be directed to the website, and you can click on it, download it, and go through all the setup. So you're going to have to like run through the setup as well. But before then, I'll show you what is available with the application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into what Ethermail is and what features we have. Yeah, so basically Ethermail allows you to, in the world of decentralization, the key thing that we find useful is, for communication, for transaction, for sharing assets, is our wallet address. And Ethermail brought this idea of, being able to send emails using your wallet address, and that's one very cool feature that this application presents. So we're on the landing page, and we can see what we have here. Some of the key problems they're trying to solve is, number one, the phishing attack, which we are all used to. Spamming by marketers, that's one very big problem that we have in the current space. And of course, anonymity, that's one key thing that these guys are trying to bring to us. And aside that, we have lack of decentralized email standards on Web3, and that's that's not really the main thing for us. But we are more concerned about phishing attack, spammers, which is very common with current emails service. Of course, we all see ads. We're used to Google ads showing in our mails and other mailing applications that we have. So they are coming, they are bringing this idea to users to use their wallet address to send email. I'm going to show us how we can set that up. You can see we have the inbox. You can send email, and of course they have other features that they coming soon. They have here coming soon paywall, where you get paid to read emails or marketing emails, subscriptions, and we also have EMT token. They're also launching that. So without wasting much of time, let's get into it. So I will try to sign up and see what is required. So we need MetaMask to do this. Let me try to connect to MetaMask. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me switch this to so let me switch the account next using that account. All right, connect. Yeah, so we're good to go. So it didn't even require me to probably select a network or whether to choose Ethereum or any of the available networks. So we'll see whether we need to do that coming. So this is the message we're signing, terms and condition and privacy. Yeah, we do. So that's like, it's a very easy process. You connect your wallet and then you're good to go. We'll see that soon. All right. Okay, so as we can see, you can see it's so straightforward, easy and straightforward, no complex setup. You can see welcome to Ethermail. Congratulations, you're one step away from So once I click next, you can include a backup email. So for this, I will input my traditional email or my existing email. Okay. Yeah, so I just included my secondary email. That's, I think, for backup. So great. Yeah, you can see, go to my inbox. You can see how easy it is. This is the top protocol. So we are going to read more about what the top protocol is, but we won't go much into the detail. The key thing is that we can now access our inbox. We can send message, to other email. You can send to a friend, like that. So we're going to try that now. Retrieve encryption keys. So this will require me to sign a transaction. Okay, you guys can see that. Okay. So once I sign this transaction, click sign. Yeah, so you can see I've retrieved the key. Finish. Yeah, so right there you can see this is what the setup looks like. It's comparable or almost the same thing with what we're used to. We can see the normal email. Instead of this time around, we use wallet address and then at email, ethermail.io. That's the say like the format, unlike what we're used to, where we you put your name at gmail.com or your name at yahoo.com. So in this case, you just use your wallet address and you're good to go. So this is my wallet address. And you can see I got a message from them. It's easy and straightforward. You can see. So let me try to reply to them. Okay, let me just put something there. Thank you, buddy. Okay. I think it's going. Okay. Yeah, you can see. If I have my message here, I can just send message. Yes. You can see sent. So it's that easy. Once you set up, I have like 1 gig space for all my messages, and it's so easy, soft. I'll say this is the message I sent just now. Thanks, thank you, buddy. Yeah, you can see it there. So that's the beauty of Ethermail. It works just like our existing email, but this time around we're using our wallet address. So let me try to send to, because we're told you can, with Ethermail you can send message to your existing Web2 emails, and you can do, it works. But the only difference is that when you're working with let's try that so we can see what I mean. So I'm currently here. Let me try to send a message, or let me compose a new mail. Let me try to compose. Let me send to um, an existing Web2 email. Okay. Right. Okay. Test email. Test email. Yeah. So that's a test email that I'm sending out to someone. Yeah. Hello there. So you can see. So let me try to send that to assistant email. Yes, I want to send the message. Oh, so I was told my account is being verified. I don't know how long that would take, but let's try to do something else. It says my account is being verified. I don't know how long that would take, but you can see we can send message and you can even choose a file. You can choose a file. uh Let me just look for some random stuff. Okay, save file. Sapata save file. Fortunately, I can send message now. Oh my god. Okay, I think for now we just leave that. But we see we can go to draft and we can see it should be there. Draft, where are you? Okay, I don't know if you still have that there. Email sending failed, no maturity. So it's telling me that I need to like get verified or something before I can use the mail. And that's the beauty of it. So that's the beauty of it. You can send mail, you can receive mail, and state message. I don't have any state message here. So you can do basically anything you do with your normal email account, like your Gmail, your Yahoo Mail, or whatever it is you use. I can reply, I can forward this to someone, I can delete, I can move, I can see the detail, the whole thing, everything is right there. All right, so basically to configure your iOS, I mean to use the mail application on your iPhone, all you need to do is follow the setup guide and you're good to go. But before you start, you need to create a token. I've created one initially, but you need to use the link here. Yeah, so you go to token management. So you create a token. I created a token here for myself, which the token basically allow you to, you can see, read more about it, to send email from applications like Gmail. Use basically they use what they call Tor protocol. So that's not really our business, but the most important thing is you need to create a token. You create it here. You give it a name first. If you don't, it won't go. So put a name there, probably Gmail or whatever I use. You can see there. Create a token. Once you're done with that, you want to come back to the guide here. Go to your mail settings. That's what I'm going to do now. Go to your settings. In your settings, scroll up, go to your mail, click on mail. So if you're there, you can see accounts, click on accounts. Then after clicking accounts, okay, I already have one here. Let me delete this and recreate. So you create an account, you can see that here. Just click create account, then order. You can see, tap the order button, order, add email account. So the email account, the name and your email should be the same, just to ensure privacy. You don't need to use any you don't need to put your personal mail, your name there, your data. So I'll put my email there, paste. Same thing with my email, I'll just paste it there. And for the password, you need to copy the token you created in this process here. Where is it? Yeah, the token you create here, you need to copy it. If you follow the step, you'll see it there. Once you click create token, let me show that for you, so you follow through. Create token, can you see this? Something like this, you copy it and then you paste it there. So in this case, I'm just going to paste what I have already. So I'm going to paste my password here. You can leave the description, you can adjust that, but it's not really necessary. You can see, so the next thing you want to put is your host name. So if you go back to the guide here, the host name is mail.ethermail.com.io rather. The username required, you can just put the same wallet address you use. For the email, you can just put mail.ethermail.com.io rather again. So you can leave this field empty, doesn't really matter. Then next, yes, and we're good to go. Save. Yeah, so basically that's it. I have my email set up, so I can go back to my mail app and use the application. So there are alternative way in which you can do this. You can see here we have you have other alternative method, but I'm not going to use that, so I'm sticking to this method. So you can go through this as well and set it up. You can see you can use the other method, but something as simple as the way we use our normal email initially, you can just set it up using that method. So I'm going to click Ethermail here, and you can see we have all the mails the test email I sent earlier. Everything is right there. Yeah. So let me try to mail someone, everybody. I'll try to. This is from an external account. Let me try to compose and send to someone. Okay. A subject. Another test email. Okay, so I've sent that. Let's see if that shows up here. Send address not valid. Let me check that. So earlier I was told I think they need to verify my account before I can send email to send it out. So let me try to see again. One unsent. So it's I don't know why it's failing to send, but I think that's just it. Let me see sent. Welcome to family. Inbox. So the issue now is I can only send, but I can receive. So I don't know how long it takes before they verify an email. I don't know why it's taking almost forever for that. So basically that's just it. And so hopefully once they verify the application, I'll be able to use it. And for those using Android, it's almost the same process too. Just go to your settings. In your settings, scroll up, go to accounts. You can see, just scroll up, accounts, click on accounts. In your account, click accounts, and then you can add an account. So in this case, we are adding an email. So click on order here, and of course the same process we followed earlier. Just go through that and do the same thing, and you're good. So manual setup. It's on manual setup. So you put your password, the email, and everything. It's straightforward, almost the same process, and easy to use. So moving forward, so I'm going to drop what I feel about this application. It's exciting, and we can see how easy it is to set up an account, to create an account, and even add an account to our existing account. So it's easy and straightforward. Same process we followed for Android users. Just go to your account, do this, and you are good to go. Same process. And yeah, so what do I feel about this application? I think they can do better. First, let me go back to my mail. The process of verifying an account. I don't know why it says I can't send my mail out. I don't know why that is so. Well, you can see. So you can see if I go to send mail. I don't know if it went through, but let me try to compose another mail just to show you that it doesn't work. I can't send mail out. I don't know why. But probably when we put on the call with the founders or the community people at Ethermail, they will be able to explain what exactly is wrong. Okay, let me call it another test email. Just testing. Okay, try to send this again. Says invalid recipient found. So I think the issue is with sending to an external account. So let me try to paste my initial wallet. Okay, let me try to paste something to a wallet. I'm coming. Let me try to send something to myself if that should work. Oh, let us do. Coming. Let me switch to another account. Okay. Yeah, let me try to switch to another account. And yeah. At Ethermail. Ethermail.io. Yeah, so let me use this and then see if it goes through. So you can see I can send message. I don't know. I think what they should do is the whole process of verifying account should be straightforward and not something I have to wait for hours or days before I can use my email to receive and start sending. So that's one thing I think that could be done better. If the developers can work on that, it will make a lot of sense. And then yeah, I think that wraps it up. Another thing that I found very, very disappointing is the fact that I don't really have enough information about. They don't have a white paper yet to explain exactly what is happening on the ground in terms of how their servers, the structure of their server, how decentralized their, the entire system, their platform is. Because if this works just like Gmail or other existing email service, it doesn't really make so much sense if you're working with a decentralized system. And then we're talking about Web3. So I think the developers can do better by keeping the community updated on the structure of the platform, how the servers are structured. Is it decentralized? Is it partly decentralized or fully decentralized, as the case may be? Then aside that too, no information on pricing as well. The only information we have is that okay, the tokens, we earn token by basically using the application, sending mails and other stuff. So not much information on what is happening on the ground. We don't really have much information on that, and that is, I'll say, is disappointing. Yeah, but we'll get to there. So let me go back to the platform. So let me try to go back to the platform. So we are here. So basically, they're trying to solve a very crucial problem in the Web3 space, and I think what they're doing is not just interesting, but also it's an exciting product that could potentially revolutionize how we use mail, how we use our mailing application. Yeah, so it's a very interesting project, and I would love to see these people use this and use it for to replace existing system, and of course enjoy the decentralized nature of Web3. So in our coming videos, we're going to be reviewing another exciting product similar to this, another mailing service provider, Web3 mailing solution, and I hope you guys stick around. All right, thank you guys for watching, following us through. And for those who haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe, follow us on our Twitter, engage with us, drop your review on our Twitter page, and also join the community, engage with us, share, and we hope to bring more exciting product review to you, including hardware wallets. In coming weeks, we're going to be reviewing some nice and cool products from SafePal, Ledger, and several amazing products. Plus, do well to turn on the notification button so you can get notified when we drop these videos.